Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. So today we are going to explore this very easy question type, and it's called number times value. So what is number times value exactly? Let's find out, shall we? 14 adults and 6 children visited Sea Aquarium. So right now I'm doing my basic annotations. They paid a total of $952. I'll circle that and I'll point towards the word total. They told us that each adult ticket costs twice as much as a child ticket. So this means that the adult ticket will be 2 units and the child ticket will be 1 unit. Finally, how much was a ticket for the adult? So they are looking for adult ticket. So I mentioned earlier that this is a very easy question type. And why is that so? We'll discover that together. And many a times for such questions, when the children were in primary 3, or as in when they are 9 years old in Singapore, they will be doing this special question called guess and check. As they progress on to primary 4 or 4th grade, they will be doing this other question called assumption. And most of the time when they hit grade 11 or primary 5 in Singapore, they will be doing number times value. And for this particular question, they flip it around in a sense that they give us exact numbers for the number, and for value, they turn it around into units. Okay? So to solve this question effectively, we have to draw this special table, this very special ratio table, which I will show everyone. So finally, I'm done with my BYROG annotation using the highlighters. So I'll be able to just go right down into it to draw my number times value table. So this is the number times value table. And as I mentioned before, most of the time the number will be in the form of units and the value will be in exact numbers. So one common question, as in one common way they test this question is by incorporating questions that has got to do with vehicles, as in motorcycle 2 wheels, tricycle 3 wheels, cars and lorries 4 wheels. So another variant of this question type will be talking about the legs. Yes, as in chicken having 2 legs, dog having 4 legs. And we occasionally also see question that talks about the prices of items, like the pillow costing $25 and the bolster costing say $50. And we also have questions that got to do with money, as in the different denominations of money, whether is it in coins or whether is it in dollar notes. So number times value, arrow total. Then I'll put down my 2 kinds of people, the adults and the children. So you will realize that adults and children are on a separate column that is on the left side of the word number. Okay, so do not put it directly below the number because we need to put actual numbers below that column. So in the question they told us there are 14 adults and we have 6 children. As for the value, they said that each adult ticket costs 2 units, whereas each child ticket costs 1 unit. So if I multiply from left to right, I'll be able to get 28 units and 6 units. So if I combine them up, this will give me 34 units. Okay, 34 units. If I write down 28 units plus 6 units, I'll get 34 units. Thereafter, in this question, most of the time they'll give you a total value. like in this case, our total value is $952. So I have to match 34 units to the 952, and from there I will need to find out what is 1 unit. And to get there, I have to do my division. So let's say this question is a paper 1 question. When you can't use the calculator, that's when we have to do our long division. So this is a revision for everyone on what is long division. So the number that goes below 95, because I know that 9, which I'm underlining right now, is smaller than 34. So I can't use it. I have to use 9. I have to use 95. So 34 times 2 is 68. What about 34 times 3? Oh, 34 times 3 is too big. It's much larger than 95. So it's going to be 34 times 2. 68. So after I do my subtraction, I'll get 272. If I bring down the digit 2. Then how can I do this? Okay, how can I do this? So using my estimation skills, I know that 34, very likely I got to multiply by 8. Because 8 times 30 will be 240. 8 times 4 is 32. 240 plus 32 is 272. So it should be 8. 8 times 34, 272. And we are done. So, boys and girls, have we found the final answer? The answer is actually no. Okay, it's actually no. We only found the value of 1 unit. We have not actually found the answer yet. So back to the question. They're asking us for how much was the ticket for each adult. So each adult, which I'm circling right now, is actually 2 units. So if 1 unit, it actually costs us 28. 2 units will be 28 times 2, and our answer will be 56. So boys and girls, do remember, for your final answer, you got to put a dollar sign. If not, half a mark will be taken away from you. Okay? So dollar sign is our standard unit, and don't forget about it. So we have come to the end of this episode. We have found that the answer for the adult ticket is $56. Thank you for watching Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.